Hello, my friends. It's Miss Becky, and thank you so much for joining us today to make a little bit of cloud dough. Now, cloud dough is not like any other dough you've ever made. It is really, really soft. So when we get thinking about a cloud, what kind of texture do we think about? Do we think about rough and bumpy, or do we think about soft and billowy? Now, when I think about a cloud, I think about it being very soft, almost like a pillow that you could lay your head on. So today, we're gonna make some cloud dough, and you'll be really surprised what ingredients we're going to use. Okay, boys and girls, let's get all of our materials and ingredients together. So we're gonna need cornstarch, some baby lotion, food coloring, measuring cups, a bowl, a spatula for mixing, and a cookie tray. Grab a bowl and your spatula. Add 1/2 cup baby lotion to the bowl. Add 1 cup cornstarch. Add as much food coloring as you'd like. Mix. Add more food coloring and baby lotion as needed. Knead the dough with your hands. Place your dough on a cookie sheet. Continue to knead the dough. Now you've made your very own cloud dough. Boys and girls, what a great time we had making cloud dough together. There's one extension activity that I want to offer you because I know that you guys love to have fun with all sorts of different materials. So I'm going to take my cloud dough and I'm going to press it down, down, down. I have some buttons here that I love, a triangle, a circle, and one of my favorite shapes, a heart. So I am going to make some imprints of these favorite shapes. Watch me. Cloud dough is so simple and so much fun. I hope you enjoy teaching your grown-up how to make some super soft, super awesome cloud dough.